All right, so we put 30 bucks in tank. Finally, this gas tank has, it's only half full. What is up, YouTube? Today, we're gonna take the truck into town. But first, got a few little things to take care of. Put our radiator flush cleaner in the radiator, put an air filter in the air box. Make sure that the air box is actually attached to the engine, because right now it's not. And if something were to fly in there, the engine's dead. So we'll do those real quick. We're gonna get some tires on this baby. YouTube, so we put in the flush cleaner, we put the airbox in, which took longer than it should have, but we got it, and then we unplugged the battery so the ECU could reset, because if it's been learning the idle process or the mixture with that wide open airbox, I wanted to go ahead and reset it. Ooh, it's hot today. Anyways, we're good to go. Maiden voyage. It's time to go where all trucks go, the gas station, and then tire shop. Well, she made it to the gas station under her own power. There was a little bit of hunting for gears, kind of concerned me a little bit, but it only did it once. But check out the gauges. Oil pressure has normalized. Voltage is right where it should be. Coolant temp's still really low. I really do think that there is no thermostat in here. Idle is nice and strong. Let's put some gas in this puppy. All right, so we put 30 bucks in tank. Finally, this gas tank has, it's only half full. It's got a big gas tank. These tires are making some scary noises though, so rather than go out into this main road, we're gonna take the old town roads, aka the back roads, because I feel like these things could blow up at any minute. I don't want that. We made it to our local Big O Tires, and there's a huge line here, but I don't care about that because the tires didn't explode, so I'm good. So let's get some tires on this puppy. All right, so we had plans to record at the tire shop. I even got permission from the tire shop to record, and then when I was messing with the dash cam, some bad things happened, so let me show you. So it had some minor cracking in the dashboard. So we got new tires. It's running good. We put about 10 miles on her total. Now we're gonna throw about $5. We're gonna throw about $5 worth of water at her. She's never gonna look good because of the paint, but we can at least clean her up a little bit. We'll go from there. All right, she cleaned up pretty good. Just think, if Dodge had spent, what, $5 more, $1 more on clear coat and better dashboard material, this truck would be immaculate. But they don't. It's planned obsolescence, you know. I think the problem they ran into is they miscalculated their planned obsolescence to where this stuff started breaking 5 years or 3 years into owning it instead of 10 years into it. So it is what it is. But Dodge, I know you're watching this. Dodge, Chrysler, Fiat, get your shit together. All right, so we made it home. We put about 20 miles on her, problem free. The tires are good. It's not making that terrible grinding noise anymore. I was worried that that was something in the transmission, but it was just the tires were so bad that they were making a whirring noise. So they're good. So I got the truck. We're gonna continue working on it, but first I'm gonna see, the truth is I didn't fix this out of the kindness of my own heart. I fixed it because there's a swing set at Lowe's that I wanted to get, and I needed a pickup truck. So I did all this work instead of asking a friend to borrow a pickup truck.